We got all the stuff loaded up here. Monkey's got her BB gun. She's got her some BBs. I got a slingy shotty. I got some bearings in my pocket. I got some BBs in my pocket. Got the GoPro. This is what we went with here to protect the GoPro. Monkey's gonna take over in a half a second. I'm gonna get the first shot so that we can get a good slow-mo break here. Got this so nothing can hit the camera. And here's what it can see. Yeah, so GoPro capture. All right. I'm gonna just do it from right here so we can get a good clip of it. Holy moly! The slingshot does big damage. Let me go here. GoPro, stop capturing. And that was first clip. Holy moly. Look at the depth. Like here's tip of finger. Yikers. Alright, child. Check this out. Let me zoom out. Rawr. You can break these.
Sorry.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
1 iPhone and like 4 Androids. Post them up and shoot at them all you want to. Just, I don't know, wherever you want to. And you can lean it on the computer. Yeah. Is it recording? The red one? Ah, oh, you did. Hang on. That's what you're aiming for, you little turd? Well, you shot it twice. I'll be damned. This little girl's trying to shoot the battery on this thing and just shot it twice in a row. Little girl! That's an Everett right there. That's pretty good shooting right there, girl. Try to get this long shot real quick. GoPro capture. There you go, little girl.
Sounds like I have Skittles in my pocket.
I got a bunch of orange and stuff too. I should shoot a few of that.
Be fishy!
Fishies!
Fishy!
What's up, Rowdy Dash? Hey, bad boy. We're shooting the thing. I got the other camera going, silly boy. Stay clear.
No roundsies.
Oh, yeah. That'll be a good one on the slow-mo.
Daddy's taking a poop.
Double poop. I got it. I hit the red iPhone. I kid you not, I was about to say I'm gonna shoot for this red iPhone, but then I figured I'd miss it and look like an idiot. Nope, we pegged it. Damn it, man. That crunched all the way to the front. That's gonna be some good footage. All right. Yeah. You want me to teach you how to shoot the slingshot? All right. Get your marble. Load it up. You take it. Just get it in the middle of that sling. Squeeze it in there. A little sandwich. Right? Okay. Now let me get on this side of you. Turning your hand sideways. Yep. Now pull it back to your cheek. Yep, but you pull it back harder than that. That's fine. Just pull it back to your cheek and then let go. Hey? You flung it. Holy crap.
Found 3 so far.
Is the slingshot dangerous?
Very.
Holy crap. Oh, how about the freaking phones? Let me see that one. Oh god. The Galaxy S5. Oh my god. Ooh, that battery. Smoosh. Let me zoom the camera normal. He's a little fat. Ramon's pellet shot. Dang. Which ones of the phones do you think still turn on?
Most likely none of them.
Or all of them. Oh, this iPhone, I can't believe I hit that one from back there. All right. Well, the ones that embedded in the screen, those were freaking cooking, yeah. That one's still there, that one's still there. Like those were cooking. This should be a good little video clip for the slow-mo. Dang it. Little Annie Oakley over here. So that phone on the left, we're aiming for it, and she has just cracked it twice in a row while we're sitting here. Girl can shoot. So you gotta put your gun up now, but did you have fun?
Yeah.